North Lakes Chiropractor, spinal adjustments for back pain and sciatica announced. Dr. Cade Sutherland's recently updated chiropractic treatments provide a non-invasive, medication-free approach to managing various musculoskeletal issues like low back pain, neck pain, and sciatica caused by sports injuries, overuse, or age-related wear and tear. More details about Dr. Sutherland and his chiropractic services can be found at northlakeschiropractic.com.au/our techniques. Dr. Sutherland follows an integrated approach, combining a variety of chiropractic modalities, such as manual adjustments, low-force gentle techniques, and soft tissue treatments, to offer patients lasting relief from their discomfort and impaired mobility. The treatment begins with an in-depth physical examination, which includes mobility tests, postural scanning, range of motion tests, and dynamic stability assessments. These diagnostics help identify the root cause of dysfunction, enabling Dr. Sutherland and his team to develop a personalized care plan suitable for each patient's body type and age. To address spinal misalignments and other musculoskeletal issues, Dr. Sutherland may employ either the Gonstead or diversified chiropractic technique, two manual adjustment methods widely recognized for their effectiveness in restoring proper alignment, alleviating nerve irritation, and reducing symptoms, such as facet joint dysfunction and chronic headaches. For patients seeking a gentle approach, low-force techniques like the sacro-occipital technique and activator methods are available. These involve subtle, precise adjustments that relieve nerve pain, ease muscle tension, and restore balance, making them particularly suitable for older adults or individuals with sensitive conditions. In addition to chiropractic adjustments, North Lakes Chiropractic offers complementary treatments such as traditional acupuncture and remedial massage therapy, aimed at promoting muscle recovery and improving mobility. About North Lakes Chiropractic. Conveniently located near North Brisbane neighbourhoods, including Mango Hill and Redcliffe, North Lakes Chiropractic is a Medibank preferred provider, staffed by highly experienced and registered practitioners with over 30 years of combined experience. Chiropractic care at North Lakes Chiropractic has been credited with helping patients achieve significant improvements in their quality of life. Patients who previously experienced constant pain and struggled to find relief through other treatments have reported becoming pain-free and reducing their reliance on medication after receiving care from practitioners like Dr. Cade and Dr. Brian. Their approach focuses on addressing the root causes of discomfort and providing tailored, effective treatments. Interested parties can find additional information at northlakeschiropractic.com.au.